When interest rates are low, it can feel like your retirement investments are losing their edge. You may be wondering how to protect your savings, especially when traditional options like bonds or savings accounts are offering lower returns. The reality is, in a low interest rate environment, your usual investment strategies may not be enough to keep up with inflation, and that could leave you vulnerable in retirement. So, what's the best move? First, let's address something that could really make a difference in your retirement strategy: gold IRAs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description for a free guide on why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. It's crucial to know why gold IRAs have been a reliable hedge against low interest rates and inflation, and why they should be a top priority in your retirement plan. Now, let's dive into some of the best options you have right now to safeguard your wealth, starting with gold IRAs. With interest rates staying low, real assets like gold become more appealing because they tend to hold their value over time. Unlike cash or bonds, gold isn't as affected by low rates. It maintains its purchasing power and can grow over time, making it a safe option for retirees who want to protect their wealth long term. Gold is especially ideal for people nearing retirement or in retirement because it provides diversification. Diversification is key. You don't want all your eggs in one basket. Even if stocks or bonds are underperforming due to economic factors, gold can provide a buffer. With inflation at play and interest rates low, gold stands out as a safe haven. But you might be wondering, what about stocks and bonds? Aren't they still viable? Yes, stocks can still be part of your strategy, but in low interest environments, stock market volatility can increase and your returns might not be as strong as before. Bonds, on the other hand, have lower yields right now, which can mean less income for retirees who are looking for steady cash flow. A gold IRA provides an alternative that not only stabilizes your portfolio, but offers growth potential in ways bonds and stocks may not in the current economic climate. Another investment option to consider is real estate, especially if you're looking to generate income in retirement. Real estate can be a great way to protect wealth because it can appreciate in value and provide rental income. However, the volatility of the housing market can be unpredictable, and you'll need to ensure you're managing your properties correctly. Real estate can be a useful part of your portfolio, but keep in mind, it's not the most liquid option, and in uncertain times, it's harder to quickly access your funds compared to something like a gold IRA. Dividend stocks might also be on your radar. They provide regular income, which is appealing for retirees. But again, in a low interest rate environment, those dividends may be smaller than you expect. Plus, there's always the risk that companies might cut their dividends during tough economic times. Gold IRAs don't have that issue. Gold doesn't rely on corporate earnings or interest rate cuts. It simply holds value, which gives you stability in uncertain times. Finally, you might consider Treasury inflation protected securities, or TIPS. While they are designed to help protect against inflation, their returns are still dependent on government bonds, which aren't offering much right now. With interest rates being low, TIPS might not provide the level of return you're hoping for. When compared to a gold IRA, TIPS may not offer the same level of security or growth potential, especially when inflation is high. If you're looking for peace of mind and a solid way to preserve your wealth, a gold IRA stands out. It's ideal for retirees with 100K or more in their IRA, 401k, or even 5 more plus in savings. Gold offers stability, protects against inflation, and can help ensure that your retirement wealth keeps its value for years to come. If you're serious about securing your wealth in the next 2 weeks, don't hesitate. Click the first link in the description and grab your free guide to starting a gold IRA today. In summary, while low interest rates have made traditional investments less effective, there are still options to protect your wealth. Gold IRAs should be at the top of your list because of their ability to shield your savings from inflation and interest rate fluctuations. If you're a retiree looking to ensure your future is secure, gold IRAs are worth exploring. And again, for those with at least 100K or more in savings, this is your chance to make a real difference in your retirement plan.